Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. I think we should wait for other students to join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Harsh, beta, please open your camera. Okay, children, did you go through the message, the Rakhi message? What you're supposed to do?
Ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, Shirshan Harsh.
Ma'am, I am watching.
What? All of you, did you go through the Rakhi making competition?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the activity related to Rakhi. So I hope all of you will do something or the other because this is a very simple and interesting thing. Yes?
No, ma'am, I can't do because I am out of station. I am not at home.
So beta, you have a piece of paper, you have something, you have any Rakhi, just decorate a thali. Take thali making category.
No, ma'am, I don't have any decoration thing.
What do you need to decorate a thali of Rakhi? You need a Rakhi, you need a diya. Will you not get it there? Wherever you are, will you not get a small diya? You need a little tika that you apply, some grains
Yes,
of
ma'am, I will
rice.
get a diya.
Yes, some grains of rice like this, and a small piece of this thing, sweet, any sweet. You will get it better. Just ask your mother, make your mother go through the message and she'll manage everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I will do.
Yes, and everyone has to do something or the other. Is that fine? Rishabh, Stuti, Vikas, Harsh, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. I will make the Rakhi. Yes, ma'am. I make also Rakhi.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very nice. And children,
ma'am, but it's the cartoon Rakhi that I make.
yes. And what you will do is you will present your picture very nicely. Don't just put it on a piece of table or put it anywhere and click picture. Hold it in your hand to show. Okay? And to make it even more clearer. Yes.
Ma'am, I make a card also.
Yes, you will make a card also. Very nice. Very good. Yes, Shirsh, even you can go for a wonderful card for your sister, isn't it? Because you don't have many things out there, so you can just make a card also. It's also a good idea. And children, if you
Yes,
make
ma'am,
a
she's
Rakhi,
just in front of me, sitting.
your sister is sitting in front of you.
Yes, ma'am, eating.
Okay, very nice.
Eating her lunch. Sorry, ma'am, breakfast.
And if you take a picture of your Rakhi, just make sure you place a sheet behind your Rakhi so that it is clearly shown. Okay, take a white sheet or a light color sheet. Because if you're just going to hold it like this, then you may have your clothes at the background, right? So what we need
Yes,
is we
ma'am.
need a plain background to see your Rakhi nicely. So I'm just giving you this idea that just take a piece of paper and put your Rakhi on that and then hold it. Clear? It should be
Okay, ma'am.
it can be a A4 size sheet. It can be a plain paper. It can be anything. It can be even your copy, any notebook of yours with a brown color background. Okay, now tell me, how many of you prepared for Sadbhavna Divas? What did you do for Sadbhavna Divas?
Ma'am, I was going to dress up, but I got here, so I can't dress up like Rajiv
Okay.
Gandhi.
Okay. And Vikas, you made a wonderful picture.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also one more student. Harsh, did you also do anything on that? One more student did something.
Ma'am, Vikas Rathod. Ma'am, my category is Rakhi. Ma'am, it was Harsh Patel. He has made the Rakhi. Ma'am, today we said in the group that we make something in Rakhi.
Beta, it is already in the group. Ishank. Okay, it was Ishank who made a wonderful poster. Yes, Tuti, what are you saying? What do I send in the group?
Ma'am, yesterday I have not sent. So, ma'am, now we send also.
Yes, you can send it till tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when you will actually prepare your thali for Rakhi, you can click a picture and send it tomorrow also. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I make Rakhi and cards both, so can I send both the things?
Yes, you can send both of them, but better not today. Okay? Either
Okay,
send it
ma'am.
in the evening because you sent yesterday also. So it will go waste. Teachers will not look at it. They may like miss it because everybody is going to send it today by today evening. Is that fine now? Everything is clear to everyone? What is to be done?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'll be taking your attendance. I'll see your names and just mark your attendance. You tell me what we were doing in SST. Till where have we done? SST, we were doing the chapter 8, types of maps. Isn't it? All of you, beta, open your cameras. My network is too low, so I can't open my camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. My video gets paused. All of you have to open your cameras and sit in the class. Athar, Karthik, Zoya, Stuti, Arush, Rishabh, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera and let me know. Tell me, Pratyaksh, till where have we done? Types of maps chapter.
Ma'am, we have read the chapter. Now we are going to do difficult words.
Okay, we are supposed to do difficult words. All right, so I'm going to share screen with you all. All of you take out your social studies copies and start writing. Okay, go get your copies, put today's date, put chapter heading. I think the next period is also yours.
Ma'am, we will do
Yes,
the keyword.
ma'am, we will have, I think, GK period.
Achha, it's your GK period. We will do difficult words today. Okay, it is in 4th A. Ready with your copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So here's your screen. Now I'm sharing the screen like this for 2 minutes. Those who want to take screenshot, can take screenshot. I'm sending the same page on WhatsApp group also. Okay, so that you people don't tell me, ma'am, please scroll up, ma'am, please scroll down. You can do it according to your own comfort.
Ma'am, you are sent on group.
I have sent it on group. I will send. I'm sending, beta. Just give me a minute. Okay, just check. It is on the class group now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. I'm taking my new notebook because my notebook is filled.
What, beta?
And please wait. I am bringing my new notebook because my old notebook is filled.
Okay, okay. Go get it. Hurry up.
Ma'am, on this chapter only 18 difficult words. Ma'am, on this chapter only 18 difficult words.
Yes, beta, there are only 18 words.
Yeah. Ma'am, done.
Very nice. Very quick.
Yes, ma'am, I've done. Ma'am, I am using my SST third notebook.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, I am using my fourth notebook.
Fourth notebook. What are you saying? You're using your fourth notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children, can I remove the screen now? Can I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please 1 minute.
All right. Today is what date? 21, right?
Ma'am, please wait. I'm using. Ma'am, I am using my next notebook. Ma'am, I have made Rakhi for tomorrow competition.
Very nice. Okay, children, tell me on 19th, day before yesterday. Yesterday was a holiday. On 19th, what day it was?
Ma'am, on
Thursday. Yes, it was Thursday. That is why I have not taken your attendance, because I am not having any period with you on Thursday. Okay, everybody first listen. Yes,
Ma'am,
very nice, very good. Now all of you keep quiet and give me Thursday's attendance first.
Ma'am, yesterday is no class and ma'am, yesterday is Friday.
Mishti, I know that better. Now what I'm saying, do that. Okay, give me Thursday's attendance. Let me call out your names and ask you. Just wait. Okay, tell me. Arush Chaudhary was present on Thursday.
No, ma'am.
Anmol Singh was present.
No, ma'am.
Arav Solanki was present.
No, ma'am.
Arav Solanki was present. I can hear a yes. Who is saying yes?
Ma'am, I.
Because Arav is present in classes. Arav Solanki attends his classes. Okay, he was present on Thursday. Then coming on to Arpit Verma. Was he present?
No, ma'am.
Atharv Singh was present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Atharv, beta, you were absent on Wednesday, na? You were not well. Atharv Singh.
Ma'am, I was suffering from fever.
Yes. So you were just absent on one day, or you were absent for 2 days?
Ma'am, only 1 day.
Only one day. All right. Now you're fine, beta.
Ma'am, now I am feeling better.
Okay, okay. Then it is, who is it? After Avni. Avni Verma was present on Thursday. Avni Verma was not present. Okay, Devansh. What about Devansh? Children, please unmute yourself as your turn is about to come. You all know. Yes,
Ma'am, he is present.
he was present. Okay. Dhruv Singh. Dhruv was present.
No, ma'am.
Dhruv was
No,
not.
ma'am.
Okay, then I have Harsh Patel. Harsh, you were present.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
her
what is the word?
third difficult word is direction.
No, ma'am, sixth.
Sixth is thematic. 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 And Harsh beta, what about Wednesday? Were you not present on Wednesday?
Ma'am, I am present on Wednesday too.
Okay. Then I come next to Kanishka. Kanishka was present on Thursday. Okay, she must be absent then. Karthik, what about you, beta? You were present on Thursday?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Karthik was not present. What about Manas Gar? Manas was present?
No, ma'am.
Manas was also absent. Mishti Mishra,
Ma'am?
what about you?
I'm present.
Present. And Mishti, what about Wednesday? You were present on Wednesday?
Ma'am, I think no, I'm not present.
Lord, who comes sometimes late.
Who comes?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, yes,
Ma'am, what's the
ma'am.
festival?
I am joined, ma'am. Ma'am, I am joined the class on Wednesday.
Okay, Pratyaksh, you were present?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Rishabh, present? Yes,
ma'am.
What about Samia Alifia? Samia Alifia was present on Wednesday? Sorry, Thursday?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sarthak Agarwal was present? Sarthak was present? I think he was present. Then what about Shish? Shish, you were present?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Stuti Khandelwal, you were present?
Yes, ma'am.
Suprema is always absent. Vikas, you were present, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yajat Gangwar. What about Yajat Gangwar? Okay, absent. Yuvraj Singh. And Yash Raj. All were absent, huh?
Ma'am, Yashraj is present.
Yash Raj was present. Okay, then better tell me, na? Whosoever knows can speak. Don't wait for other person to answer. You can also answer.
Ma'am, I was
What is the ma'am? What you have written in 14th word?
The 14th word is legend. Legend. Legend.
Ma'am, I was present on.
Okay, beta, you were present. I have marked you present.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done. Now I'm changing the screen, children. You can see those who have not done, you will see from WhatsApp class group now. Now we are coming on to key points. Okay, these are the key points. Start writing them.
Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, you have done what? These key points.
Yes, ma'am. Till fifth.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the fifth key point after called, what is written?
Called thematic. THEMACIT. Thematic maps. Okay, do the rest, beta. Start doing the rest.
Please scroll up for 1 minute only. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, please, you have key points also. You have sent on group.
Yes, I will send the key points also.
Ma'am, please show the first key point.
Okay, I will keep the screen like this. Now you will zoom it on your devices and see whatever you want to see. I have sent on the class group also.
Ma'am, I am clicking to zoom, but it is not zooming. Now we have to underline these words with any highlight of color.
Yes, beta, you can use any color.
Ma'am, I will take green.
I have done till 7.
Ma'am, what is written after population in 6?
After population, vegetation. VEGE. Vegetation.
I have done underline.
Start doing the next page from the class group then, if you have done this.
14th. Stores, low and I'm done. I'm done. I have also done.
Those who have done, start doing the next page. I will remove this screen on 8:05. At 8:05, that is in 2 minutes, I will remove this screen.
And I have done till 14.
What are you saying, Rishabh? You have done till 14th.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how nicely you have done. Please send the picture. I want to see on class group. I want to see your handwriting.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm shooting, but it is automatic of the camera. I'm doing fifth.
Children, I have changed the screen now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
I'm done.